Hello viewers, the Neco Bece or GSSE examination result for 2022 is out. The question is, have you checked your result? In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to check your results in the result portal, the Neco result portal. Now, the basic education certificate examination is a junior secondary certificate examination that is conducted by Neco for students in junior secondary school. Now, this examination is made up of both federal and the state part that is conducted by the ERC. So if your child has taken that of the federal Bece, I'm going to show you how to check for your result. And if they have taken that of the ERC Bece, we'll also show you how to check out their result. But one thing is common among these two exams. They have the same grading system. The basic grading system: A is distinction, B is upper credit, C is lower credit, the P is pass, and the F is fail for every subject. Now, to check for your result, first of all, you need to purchase what we call a result checker token from the website, the Neco website. Now, if you want to do that, you have to select Bece in the option in the website that will be open to you. You select Bece in the exam type. You also select your exam year, which is 2022, and you enter the PIN number from the scratch card that was given to you during registration. After that, you can now enter your examination number and then check your results. You are going to see also space where you'll be required to put in your token number. Now, for those who take these exams in state, you will be required to go to the website of the states that you take such an examination. Now, these following states are the states that have already prepared website for results checking. We have Benue, Borno, Cross River, Ebonyi State, Edo State, Ekiti State, Enugu State, FCT Abuja, Gombe, Jigawa State, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, Kebbi State, Kogi State, Kwara State, Nasarawa State. We have the Niger State, Ogun State, Ondo State, Osun State, Oyo State, Plateau State, Sokoto State, Taraba, Yobe State, and Zamfara State. So if your state is not here, you should know that they don't have website, or you take any examination in any of these states, you have to go to Neco state branch to check for your results. Now, I'm going to walk you through the process of checking your results online. So pay attention as we'll be going through these following steps. Now, to check for your WATS results, all you need to do is to go to the Neco results portal. This is for those who have taken the federal and Neco examination for unity schools, federal unity school. You go to results.neco.gov.wat.ng. Once you go there, you'll be requested to purchase a token. So to purchase a token, you click the purchase token. If you have registered on this website before, you can just type in your email address and then your password. But if you are new to this website, you need to do what? You need to register. And to register, you click register here, where you put in some details. And after that, you'll be required to come back here to input your email and then your password, and then you log in. Once you log in, it will take you straight to a portal where you'll be requested to input your payment card. You pay for the token, and the token will be sent to your email. Once the token is sent to your email, you can now come back here, click here to check your your result. And to do that, you click the year of the result you want to check. You click the results type, which is the base. You type in the digits for the token that was sent to you, and then your words registration number. Now remember, once you finish typing these things, you click what? Check result, and your result will be displayed on the screen. Now I want you to note something about this token. Token can only be used for one candidate. You can't use it for two candidates. A token can only be used for one candidate, and that token can only be used 5 times. So once you check your results, we advise you to do what? To print them out, because you'll be required to use this printout during your child's registration to any secondary school he or she wants to be admitted into. Now, this is for those who has sat for the NECO Unity, NECO Federal examination for Federal Unity schools. Now, for those who sat for the ERC NECO examinations for states that are conducted by the states, including the Federal Capital Territory. If you want to check for your words results, all you need to do is to go to the state portal. And to do that, you can just go to Google, and then you Google out uh, the state portal. If I want to check out for Plateau State, I can type Plateau. If I type Plateau Beze, Plateau State Beze result, you'll see it. It will pop out Plateau State Beze. This is their portal. So in this their portal, you can go to check the result of your word. So go down to open result checker, and then you type in your child's scratch card number and your words examination words, the examination number, which includes the year, the area code, the school code, and then the candidate number in full. Once you do that, you preview, and your result will be shown to you. So if I want to check that of Zamfara State, I can search for Zamfara. There's a result. For Kebbi, Kebbi Beze result. For Jigawa, Jigawa Beze result. And you will go to take you straight to their what? To their portal. So you see, it's very easy to check your words results. Instead of going to cyber cafe, you can even do this on your mobile phone with network, internet network. If you like this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you share it with friends, which will be very useful too. And also make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we can give you updates about examinations that are being taken, and also academic learnings that can help your ward thrive well at school. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent videos.